Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hello friends, look at this box. It's massive. It's humongous. Can you imagine that I did not use a 12 by 12 for this particular box? It's true. I needed a box to be this size. I have a specific purpose for it. So I created one, and then I thought, oh geez, this would be excellent to show on one of my Fridays. So I'm going to share it with you today. For the paper sizing, I need two 10 by 8.5, so two of them. And then one more at 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. And then 5 pieces of designer series paper that measure 4.5 squared. Okay? Excellent. I'm going to score these two big ends exactly the same. So on the long side, so on the 10-inch side, we're going to score at 4 3/4 and 9.5. And then flip it round, and then we're going to score at 1 and 5 3/4. Okay. I'm putting that aside, and then on to the next one. So 4 3/4 and 9.5. Flip it round, 1 and 5 3/4. For the smaller piece, 6 3/4 by 4 3/4, we're going to score at 1 on this side, flip it around, and 1 on this side. Okay, so here we are going to burnish all of our score lines. What I do on one, I'm going to do on the other. Exactly the same place. So I'm going to, let's say I'm going to take off this rectangle and this rectangle. And I'm going to cut up here. And now I don't think it really matters. I'll wait till the end. Okay, so we've separated these guys, taken off this rectangle, that rectangle, and separated these guys. So I'm going to do the exact same thing on this one. On the back of this one, I'm going to apply my glue. All right. So you can see my score lines are facing up. It's just a little easier. So I'm taking the exact same piece and I'm going to adhere it here. We need to have one of these removed on both of the sides. So we're going to alternate. I'm going to I guess, just cut this one. So I've cut the first one off, left this one, so this one's going to be cut off. Okay. Then I'm going to wedge out just a little on both of these. That ensures that our lid, which is right here, is going to fit. And then I'm going to put glue on the back of my lid. And it doesn't matter where you put the lid either, just in one of the empty holes. So, all right, that looks great. Okay, so we're going to fold this one over, apply our glue, fold this one over, and there you go. So it can fold flat. While you, say if you were trying to make Christmas presents or something, it can certainly fold flat. I'm going to put my pattern paper, and this is under the mistletoe. I was saving these balls, Christmas balls, for a project like this, for sure. Reminded me of that Saturday Night Live skit, and you know, they talk about Christmas balls. And that's as far as I'm going to go with that joke. Christmas bulbs. So again, this is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 squared. So I haven't got my ribbon share yet, obviously, because it's not been ordered yet, but I'm sure I would have been able to figure out an amazing bow or something. I have nothing for this Christmas box to decorate it. I'll have to figure something out. And if you guys want to join in on a paper share or a embellishment share or a ribbon share, I would love for you to shop with me. Anyway, I'm super excited for the new catalog. There are amazing products. I've already started doing making class content. I'm hopefully having at least 4 classes for next month featuring products from the new catalog. Okay, so now for the back. So 2 of these go in. Let's see, how can I explain? And show you at the same time. So I'm just going to run a little bit of adhesive along the middle. Okay. So now that those two flaps are in, I can go ahead with my, that would have been my back. So, and this will be my front. And you can see that I did not wedge any of it in at all. We'll go back afterwards and clean that up. If there's anything that needs to be cleaned up, we'll do it in a second. Look at how big this box is. Like I could take my whole embellishment basket. Not that I would give anybody this stuff, but maybe when it was new. And the reason why we wedged in on these corners here, especially the front ones, it makes a huge difference when you go to put this bit in. And we need to wedge this out too, just a touch. Too much will make it super loose and then it won't stay closed. Too little won't close it. So you need to have that right special touch. All right, like I said, I don't have any embellishments right now. All right, so this is a gold foil, I don't know what they're called, metallic edge ribbon. And this is in the gold variety. Excellent. That worked out really well and super cute. I was struggling there for a minute trying to think of what embellishment, and the thing is, because it's a paper that has a tendency to have a lot going on, so really cute. I could put a thumb hole here if I wanted, but yeah, that's my share for today. Thanks so much for stopping by. I have everything on the blog if you need sizing. And like I said, check out the paper share or even the classes for this month or next month. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.